I see a question here. Regarding optimized retrieval, how can I improve query construction to enhance document retrieval performance for legal or medicine? So I think that's definitely a fine-tuning kind of thing. There's also things about how can you improve the query construction itself. There's lots of little tricks with prompts, such as the needle and haystack. Studies done by Greg Camerant and Lance Martin from LangChain show distinctly you put your context last in the prompt. Seems like dark art magic foo, but there's all kinds of stuff with the prompt that you can do, such as few shots and chain of thoughts and reflection. Okay, let's take a first audience question.
Hi. You talked about latency and cost as trade-offs.
Right.
With RAG and hybrid RAG and so forth. What is your view on accuracy? Is there a point on accuracy here in terms of cost and latency trading off?
Yeah, I guess it's like a triad of quality, latency, and cost. And under quality, you could put in accuracy or any of the evaluation metrics that our folks here have spoken about. So I guess it's the answer, I hate to say, it depends on your specific use case, but you have to weigh these trade-offs. And I think maybe I would add one more, which is like security and safety and privacy and all these, just all depends on your specific use case and what weighs more and what you're building.
I just want to add to that I think quality of results usually comes as number one. Like if it's below a certain threshold, nobody cares. It's just not a good app. But I think after you get to that level of baseline that you think this is kind of good enough, then I think latency and cost become something that you can, like Marwan said, you can optimize for and you can make better. And if you control all the pieces, you can certainly do a lot to improve that, yeah.
And are there any particular RAG models, like the hybrid RAG models that are, have you done any testing for accuracy?
So any RAG system, I think, should be tested for accuracy. Like you have to have a baseline on which you start and then add these components on top of it. So you start with a vector-based RAG system, then you add these additional complexity features like graphs or agents and other things on top of that. So I would say that it's very subjective to the data set and what set of tools are being used, depending on the problem at hand.